at all. This prehistory is about telescopes. Now, even though Galileo didn't invent the telescope, he was the first to publish what he saw. His book, The Starry Messenger, described a universe different from the science of the day and sent shockwaves throughout Europe. Now, this is the world's oldest securely dated telescope, made around the time Galileo was doing his thing. It's about 1617, made in Augsburg, Germany. So it's over 400 years old. Now, if we look at the same target as we do with an unaided eye, this is what you can see when looking through it. It's like looking through a straw. But this telescope wasn't made primarily to look at the heavens or even at targets on Earth. Notice the beautiful marbled paper and elegant cloth cover. It's a showpiece, part of a cabinet filled with beautiful things that were not intended to be used. This telescope was made to be looked at, not just looked through, which is why it truly belongs at its current home, the Decorative Arts Museum in Berlin. Now, over the next 300 years, some telescopes used lenses to gather light, while others used mirrors. In either case, telescopes kept getting bigger and bigger, helping astronomers to see more distant objects and to see further back in time. But there's a limit to how big you can make glass lenses before they begin to sag under their own weight. By the year 1900 or so, the limit had been reached. Instead of using glass as a lens, telescopes were now going to be made using glass as the substrate for a mirror. Instead of light going through the glass, it would reflect off it. So now let's file this part of the story away for the moment